Hey guys, come check out this small house that we're gonna make a huge profit on. As you guys can see, this house needs a ton of work, but if we're able to stay on budget, we're gonna be able to net somewhere around $120,000 on this house. Now come with me so I can show you exactly how we're gonna do that. So if you guys come here, this is the living room. We're gonna be putting new flooring, new paint. This is a nice little kitchen. What we're gonna be doing is taking all the cabinets off, putting brand new cabinets, as well as brand new appliances. So the backyard is a mess. We're also gonna be putting some rock, maybe some little plants here and there, as well as a landscape in the front yard. Now let's go look at the rest of this house and see what else it needs. This is just a closet, so we're gonna be painting this. You know, like I said, we're gonna be painting the walls, putting new baseboards, two-tone paint, put some nice LVP on the floor, you know, those luxury vinyl planks that everybody's using right now. This is one of the bathrooms, which I'll be honest with you, it's a nasty one. But we're gonna be doing everything. We're gonna be putting a new tub, maybe new plastic inserts, or maybe even some tile. It all depends, right? When you're in a shifting market, you gotta figure out ways to save money, right? But still do a great product, and that's what we're doing. This is one of the bedrooms, as you guys can see. You know, we're gonna be able to keep these mirror closet doors because they're in great shape. Maybe what we'll do is we'll paint the trim. That way they look nice and modern. You know, looking at all the rooms, this one looks good too. And by the way, guys, we don't do flooring in the rooms, we do carpet because it saves us some money, but it still looks great. Here, this is a master bedroom. You know, small master bedroom, but remember guys, this is a small house. It's a small 4-bedroom house with 2 baths. Now these glass doors we're also going to be able to keep as well. Now what we're going to do with this bathroom, guys, is we're going to tile it all the way up. It's a standing shower. We're going to put a new toilet and a new vanity. That way, whoever is in the master bedroom has a beautiful shower to take a shower in. So stay tuned, guys, to check out this crazy reveal. We're also going to be sharing all our numbers on this deal, as well as how we found the property, how we managed the property, how we sold the property, and our end profit. So if you're a beginner and you want to learn how to start flipping, please guys, subscribe to our channel because we're gonna have way more content just like this.